everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Company. তোমরা যদি আমাকে ফার্স্ট টাইম দেখে থাকো তাহলে হাই, আমার নাম হলো সঞ্চারী। আমি ভিডিওস বানাই মেকআপ রিভিউজ হলস নিয়ে। তাই জন্য আজকে আমি আবার একটা নতুন মেকআপ লুক তোমাদের সামনে নিয়ে এসেছি। এটা হলো দশমীর মেকআপ লুক। এই মেকআপ লুকটা কেন কি আমরা দিনের বেলা পরবো, এই জন্য আমি একটু সিম্পল রেখেছি কিন্তু অনেকই গর্জিয়াস। যে কেউ এই মেকআপ লুকটা ট্রাই করতে পারে, ম্যারিড বা আনম্যারিড। বাট আজকের মেকআপ লুকটা আমি ফোকাস করেছি জাস্ট ফর আনম্যারিড গার্লস বা আনম্যারিড উইমেন্স। তো যদি তোমরা জানতে চাও এই মেকআপ লুকটা কিভাবে অ্যাচিভ করা যায়, চলো ভিডিওতে সাথে যাওয়া যাক। কিন্তু তার আগে আমি সবাইকে একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, প্লিজ যদি তোমরা আমার ভিডিওটা দেখো তাহলে একটা লাইক দিয়ে দিও, চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আর বেল আইকন হিট করতে একদম ভুলো না, নালে তোমরা জানতে পারবে না আমি আমার নেক্সট ভিডিও কবে ছাড়ি। বাস বেশি দেরি না করে চলো যাওয়া যাক। Alright, so I have already done my skincare, moisturized my face, and now we will move on to the setting spray. I will spray it and this will keep my makeup long lasting and matte throughout the day. Then I will be using this Ordinary high spreadability fluid primer. This gives a nice smooth canvas to work on and this spread very nicely. Then I am going to use my ELF poreless primer because I have a large pores around my cheeks and my nose area, so this does a pretty good job to blur it out. Then I'm using this NYX foundation and with my Real Techniques RT 400 brush I will blend the foundation into my skin very nicely, as you all can see, and please do not forget the neck part. Then with the Flower Beauty concealer I will highlight my higher points like my under eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, the cupid's bow and the chin. And then I will blend it out with the same foundation brush from Real Techniques. If you want to know the products that I have used, you can find the links to all of these in my description box, so please scroll down and have a look. Now can you see the magic? Yes. Then we are using Rimmel transparent loose powder and I will be baking under my eyes and I will set the rest of my highlighted areas with the same powder. Then with this Lakme 925 pressed powder I will powder the whole face, and for that I am using this big fluffy powder brush to powder my entire face. Now that my face is looking quite flat, I will use my LA Girl pressed powder and this works perfectly fine as my contour shade, and I will contour the usual areas like my cheekbones, the forehead and the jawline. If you don't find your perfect contour shade, then you can use your pressed powder which is 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Then with this Physicians Formula butter bronzer in the shade Deep, I will bronze out my face and this will give me a nice diffused contour as well as bronzed look. I will do some reverse contour with a loose powder. This will give me a sharp chiseled look because I want to hide that extra fat on my skin. So yes, this will do the job for me. Eyebrows are done off camera, and now for the eye look we are going to use Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus the Neutrals palette. You can see the shades are so gorgeous. These are your everyday kind of shades. You can even use this for your bold look. Taking this brick red shade, I will use this as my first transition shade and building up the shade little by little. Now taking this mauvey pink shade and I will deposit the color on the outer corner and then gradually I will drag it to my inner corners, and here also I am building the shade little by little. And then with a clean fluffy brush I will blend out all the harsh edges to make it look soft. Taking this brick red shade again, and I will place it just above that mauve shade that we have used earlier. And then again with a clean fluffy blending brush, I will blend out all the harsh edges. Now because we want some kind of depth, so I'm using this deeper brown shade, and this will give me a nice depth. So I will just place it on my outer corner and blend it with the brush. And then with this mauve pink shade, I will blend out that dark brown shade. This will give me a nice diffused look, and it will make it look softer. Giving a final blend with a fluffy brush so that there are no harsh edges and it looks smooth and diffused. For my lid shade, I'm going to use this shimmery baby pink kind of shade, and I will place it on my eyelid. And then with this bronzy gold shade, I will place it just where the dark brown and the pink meet. Today for the liner, I am going to use Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. I am going to create a nice cat eye wing, but I am not going to line the entire lash line. Then with this shimmery brown shade, I will smoke out my eyeliner. Time to do our lower lash line. With that brick red shade, I will smoke out my lower lash line. And then with that mauve pink shade, I will further blend and smoke out that brick red shade. For the kajal, I am using my Nykaa I Am Black kajal. You can use anything which you like. And then with the same eyeliner, I will create a wing into my inner tear duct area. Applying some mascara from Essence. I'll be just giving a single coat of mascara to my upper and lower lash line, and then applied some falsies off camera. It's blush time, and for that I'm using this e.l.f. palette. From that I'm taking those two shades and I will blush the apples of my cheeks, and this will give a nice flush of color. This will make your skin look healthy. I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm doing that right now. Now it's time for some highlighter, and I will highlight all the highest points of my face, like my cheekbones, the chin, the bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Be it a nighttime or a daytime look, highlighter should not be skipped because this is the best part of your makeup. And then with my blush brush, I will blend out the highlighter with my blush. And then with the sponge, I will press the product so that it looks natural. Finishing off with the same setting spray from Essence. Choice of setting spray depends on you, what kind of makeup you are going for that day, whether it is matte or glowy. So yes, I'll be highlighting my collarbone area to give that nice shine because I'm going to wear a sari. Then for my lips, I'm using Faces Canada Mulberry Magic Lip Crayon. And then I am going to do a ombre lips with this natural cocoa shade. You can see how pretty this looks, and I will blend it out with my fingers. And then with a translucent loose powder, I will clean out the edges so that it does not look harsh. And here is my completed look.